Hi, greetings and vanakkam. Today we have prepared a very easy to make cabbage onion egg omelette. This really looks awesome. Let me try with some ketchup. Wow, it's really awesome. I could finish this with just 2 or 3 bites. It's so tasty. The ketchup especially. Earlier this morning, I had a very spicy dish of nasi lemak. Licking a slither of this sweet savory ketchup with this cabbage egg omelette really gives me a respite from the morning nasi lemak. It's so simple. Try it out. Actually, it's really tasty. With the ketchup, it's really tasty. Try it out when you're free. Okay? Try out this awesome, simple and easy to do cabbage onion egg omelette snack when you are free. It is very tasty and healthy too. Stay safe. See you guys soon.